What's up, Moochie gang? Okay, so it's a new day and we about to go to the pumpkin patch. This pumpkin patch I heard was like popping, like hottest pumpkin patch out. So we finna go and see what it do. Let's get into the braids. Let's get into the braids real quick. Yeah, hair by Moochie. You already know I do my own braids unless I have my niece do it. Other than that, it's hair by Moochie always. But we finna go to this pumpkin patch, so let's do it! Hey y'all, so we made it in. First stop, funnel cake.
Yeah, y'all.
He mad, he just so good. We had to wake him up because he was...
Hey y'all.
So we finna get these funnel cakes. They got churros, smoothies. We finna see what they talking about.
Oh, I couldn't wait. My bad.
Get into it, big hungry.
Yeah, I named after a motel, y'all.
Big hungry.
Legit.
They got they shit plain joint.
Yeah, plain Jane, you know what I'm saying?
Always him. Don't ever want to eat nothing.
That motherfucker flip quick.
I know you like. See, I'm telling you, you're gonna get a camera. You're gonna upgrade from the phone. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
I need that.
Come on, son. Let's go.
$400 camera right there.
Yeah.
I gotta wait until next month.
I don't know. We finna eat this funnel cake though. This crew right here.
We don't know who little Charlie is.
Squad up.
What's up, Charlie?
Who's scared of this?
Squad up.
You're on the move. I think the woman is walking down.
Hope so.
Let's go, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on.
We're about to go down the slides. Krishna is watching it. It's sitting right there on the ledge and she watching it.
Mama, miss this boy. Somebody about to eat my phone cake.
Mari not gonna eat it and Krishna don't like the
The
strawberries.
flies is finna eat it.
Motherfucking fly.
He big mad. Look at these kids. Come on, Carlo.
I'm a big girl.
Of course, it's my son. Come here, son. Son, you have to stand in line. Now he... 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, shoot! Whoa! That was so much fun. Carla, I don't like the sand. You see the animals?
You see it? Right here?
Ooh, look at that ride. That's the line for that?
Yeah, that hay ride right there.
The hayride is the train, or that's
Right
just
here,
the hayride?
that's the hayride.
So where the train at?
The train is on, I think it's
On the other side?
Yeah, by the new go. So it's got to go back over there.
Back that way.
Those people are at.
Back there. Oh, look. Look at Carlo and AJ just running away.
No, wrong. The train is going after the hayride.
Go this way. Go that way.
Guys, let's go.
Run, run, run.
Let's go. Two. AJ.
Say cheese.
AJ, look. Get into your squat. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese. AJ, look.
AJ is crazy.
Look, Carlo. AJ.
Stand up, Carlo. He caught me on Ari.
Hey, mommy, hold your backpack.
Shut up, girl.
He learned it from his mama.
First of all,
Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees.
Carlo think he a big boy because he outside with his crew. You hanging out with your friends? Hey, tell everybody to subscribe to your channel. So we about to get on these. When they done, we finna see what they do. Y'all ready? You ready, Ari?
Yeah.
You ready, Carlo? Carlo, take your hands out your mouth. You ready? I'm ready.
I'm ready.
You ready, AJ?
You are so dramatic.
We spinning this thing.
No!
Spin this thing. Spin this thing. Spin this thing. We spinning this thing. Ooh. Go, 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 go. Oh. Bitch, I'm dizzy. I too. Oh, spin it back. Oh. Dizzy, and this is still spinning. Oh my god, I'm so dizzy. What the heck? Oh fuck, what did I do? Y'all, I'm dizzy. That was a ride. That ride was riding. Now we about to go get in the hay ride. But we had the dads stand in line. So we about to get in line with them. Bubbles! Bubbles!
Where you get that at? My son need one.
I'm finna order one from the
Go Cass! Go Cass!
They are real people?
Look, son! You on the hayride. You like it? It's all dark. So how did you like that, son? You wasn't really tripping? I don't think son was really tripping.
He didn't see you.
I know, it was just dark.
Yeah, it is some big ass slides. Holy shit. I leave them slides, big dog.
Hey, you guys ready to come?
Oh! So me and my crew finna fuck they crew up. That's all I'm saying.
Who your crew? The Rolling crew. Who are they? Who are they? We'll fuck your crew up.
Period. Go, son!
Hey! I got distractions around me, man. Hey, come on.
Back up, Mario.
That's two.
Wow!
Good job, son! Woo! Good job! Good job, baby! This the only way son was gonna ride. So we on here. Come here.
Cry, baby. The wham wham. It's okay. We're finna go wee wee wee. You ain't happening, dog. You want to get off?
Hug me. It's going now.
Wee! Wee!
Look at look. Look at daddy.
Wee! Wee! You do all that damn bouncing on that ball at grandma's house.
Hey, you scared of this?
Son, this shit fall apart. We getting paid.
Go in. Call out. They're gonna stop it anyway.
30 seconds.
Up and down, up and down.
I'm riding a cougar, y'all. Look.
How you feel about this? Having a blast, guys. Woohoo!
sliding on the cougar.
Y'all look so cute.
That's all that reminds me of seeing the face painted on.
The pumpkin patch is a wrap, y'all. We have fun. It was a success. We're out of here. Subscribe to the channel.